Good morning, have a nice day. Today, I was reading a news on internet. LiveHindustan.com published a news. It is a news portal. Pakistan has been re-elected to United Nations Human Rights Council. Pakistan was already member of this council, Human Rights Council. Now, it has been re-elected. Good. Congratulations, Pakistan. Congratulations, Pakistan people. For you people, your country being elected once again. I have two questions in mind about human rights. Human rights give us the right to live, the right to speak, the right of equality. A country in which the minority people do not get the right of equality, and minority people suffer in some way or the other the atrocities done by the majority people, then their human rights are being crushed. In Pakistan, there was a leader, Julius Salk. He fought for 45 years in his country to get the right of equality, to get the right of election for minority people. Later on, Mr. Salk thought, a thought came into his mind that perhaps he has failed in his mission, and he exiled himself, left Pakistan, went to America. Living there in Washington, whenever he gets the news that some Christian girl has been kidnapped, has been raped, or any of the kind, he raises his voice from United Nations. Since the last 1.5 year, I am on YouTube. Whenever I get the news that in Pakistan, a Sikh girl has been kidnapped and raped, a Christian or Hindu girl or woman has been kidnapped and raped by a Muslim, it troubles, and I raise my voice through my YouTube channel. You may see so many episodes on my YouTube channel. A country where it is the general practice of the majority people to misuse their power and either kidnap or rape or forcibly marries a Christian girl, a Hindu or a Sikh girl, that can't become the protector of human rights. If I am telling a lie, you may find out that data from Pakistan government how many Sikh girls, how many Christian girls, how many Hindu girls or women has been kidnapped, raped, insulted by the Muslim people. I never tell a lie. Only one person, Julius Salk, raises the voice that whatever is happening in Pakistan to the Christian or Hindu people, it is unacceptable. Recently, Pakistan National Assembly passed a bill which says that no non-Muslim people can fight election for the president or prime minister seat. It is religious orthodoxism. Now, Pakistani people who are non-Muslim can't ever think that they will ever, or there any person will ever come into power. United Nations, this decision of re-electing Pakistan in the Human Rights Council is just like appointing a cat to take care of the bowl of milk, the pot of milk. Has United Nations Human Rights Council become a joke? Think yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching.